Hello sa lahat. We're very excited guys kasi malapit nang matapos yung aming sing. Nagawa natin yung framing and maraming problema kasi hindi tayo pwedeng maglagay ng malalaking wood. Since kung ganito ka, malaking wood yung ilalagay natin dito, tatama siya sa aircon.
Dili, mga pila ka days.
Kung ipa-half ni siya,
Oo.
hindi naman pisan pa yun.
Oo.
Nipsan lang ba? Mga
Nipsan o
basig 1/4.
Mga half. Di grabe, gid kay kada hapaga o.
Pagka kayo.
Naagi day si ikon mo.
Ang pagbangag
Ah,
gud
baw.
niya, kuya, maglisod siya ba? Para
Sa
sing.
pagbangag.
Oo.
Dili na ba niya mabend ba? Pero mag-isip ko bend na ba?
Ben. Aday mo pang.
Dili man na mabend pa sa nga nakabaga.
Mao gani.
Ah!
Super perfect!
Yay! We have a sink! Let me see?
Chopping board.
Yeah, sink. Sige.
Super.
Tulang short.
Ito na, bigat. Dapat ano siya.
So, nakabili na kami ng
Wood! Final!
board para sa sink namin. Oh, grabe kasi. Gikis niya si Summit. Hello guys! So, right now we're back to our DIY van build. Right now, si Papa, si Earl, he's finishing the sink cover. Kasi tapos na kami sa sink. Actually, nandito yung camera. But later on, once it's done, we will show it to you. So, right now, si Papa's at the back, working. Gonna show you here lang. Ayan. So, very excited, Summit? Yeah. Ayan. So, as you can see, hi, space! As you can see, excuse me, babe. As you can see, it's not yet fully covered. This one is temporary kasi naghihintay pa kami sa tank namin. So, we're currently using this one just in case kailangan namin ng water. But for now, as you can see, ayan, di pa siya covered. So, Papa's working on it. We are so excited, guys, kasi dalawa na lang talaga yung kulang, yung sink and then yung kitchen na lang, but yung electrical of course. But I mean yung major na ano namin na kailangan for us to start traveling kasi naka-pause kami ngayon. Daming nangyari, but for now, we are really trying our best to go back full time para matapos siya agad-agad. Our main intention really this year is to travel full time, so we are trying our best na makomplete yung build as soon as possible.
Blocks! Mama, look! Look!
Okay na ba?
Ito mataas.
Ha?
Ito mataas ng kanto.
Okay, babe. Come here, space. Come here. Papa's not done, man. Oopsie. Spacey boy. Spacey boy. Can you dance with me? Papa is working. Papa is working. Dancing Spacey boy. Pa. Pa. Cute kaayo. So, malapit na namin matapos talaga yung sink namin. Ayan. So, we're here. Si Earl, bumibili lang siya ng drawer slides para makover na namin yung cabinets namin. Kasi, we recently received our water tank and we have some extra right there. Kasi mas malaki yun. Nasa 50 liters siya, guys. So, at least we have enough water if magka-camp kami, hindi always magre-refill. So, just enough for us.
Mama,
Like, yes?
I want you to picture me while I'm pushing the cabinet there.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Oh,
Sorry.
okay. You want. Okay. It's not yet done, babe. Hindi pa kasi siya na-attach, guys. So, please don't push it, anak. It's not yet attached. Papa needs to put screws pa. Tagal ni Papa. Anyway, yun yung challenge dito sa atin kasi hindi lahat ng materials available siya. Since, like for example sa US, halos lahat ng materials for the van build, available siya sa kahit anong store nila, even online. But dito sa atin, most of the time, you have to innovate eh. Like si Papa, I really noticed na pag hindi available yung, according sa research na ito yung best na gagamitin, pag hindi available, kailangan niyang like mag-innovate kung ano lang yung available dito sa atin kasi sometimes most of the time hindi talaga siya available. So kaya usually pag talagang nag-visit kami sa mga stores na ganito, natatagalan siya kasi kailangan niyang mag-check talaga ng proper like attachments or like mechanisms na mag-work and compatible or magma-match dun sa plan niya. Like for example, in this case, sa sink namin, so ang daming kailangan i-consider. So hey, ayan, bored na siya. Finally!
May food cup diri oh, may gani na ah.
What did you buy?
Diri ba?
Cup for the...
This one. For here oh. Cover siya diri.
Oh, para dili mag-leak. Ba't naman siya cover?
Wala ni siya cover pataban magdud.
That's so weird.
Wala
Balya
siya cover.
sila, tapos walay cover?
It's meant to have alat.
Connector.
Fix it.
Okay. Complete mo na ba?
Wala, dili kompleto. Ang fitting sa atin, dito nang kita.
Someone is a
Balita sa Wilcon.
Okay.
si boy sa wiki boy.
So, lilipat lang kami ng store since hindi pa din kompleto yung materials.
Let's go, Josa.
Love kuya. Sweet boy. Yun yung kiss niya, guys. Ganun na siya. Lunch muna kami. Wala yung takoyaki? You want fresh juice? Juice? You want orange juice? Yeah, I'll get a strawberry. Oh, this one. I'll get mine. Okay, I'll get Okay, thank you.
What is that?
Okay, let's go.
The orange?
Yep, same with you. Same with your drink. Go. Go to Papa. Let's go to the van. Let's go to Papa, babe.
No.
Let's check him in case not feeling well.
No.
Okay, stay here. I'm gonna check Papa. Check lang namin si Papa since he's not feeling well. Lalab?
Video?
Our
1, 2, 3, go!
Can you move so you can move the eat? Mama, babe.
What is this, a fork?
It's the sport.
What?
It's called sport.
Fork?
Yeah.
Oh, why?
Because you can use it as a spoon and you can use it as well as a fork.
Wow! I've never seen a fork that is like a spoon.
Yeah.
It's a combination man, not spoon and fork sport. That's why it's
That's
called
why it's
sport.
called sport. It's cool, right? Is it cool?
No.
That was his face. Natutukaan niya yung face.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey. I got another straw. I got another straw. Space! I can bend it.
It's not a straw.
What? I forgot.
Rest muna kami before going to the grocery. Papa is not feeling well.
Wait,
Kasi maswagan.
Hello sa lahat. So, right now we're done with our sink. So ito yung para sa utensils namin. Para quick access lang. So, ayan, naka-soft close siya. Para pag-push mo, ganun siya kadali. And then ito, gagawan pa natin to ng mga small storage pa, no? May extra storage kami dito on top of the tank. So, gagawan pa namin siya dito ng little, probably cabinet or something. Naka-soft close din to siya, guys. And then, ito naman, we made this para pag naka-on yung aircon, merong exit sa
Oo, i-remote na lang siya.
Yeah. Kasi may remote yung AC namin.
So, hindi na
Ito kasi
natin...
yung opening eh.
Balay, nakafix na yung AC natin dyan. Hindi na siya tatanggalin. except for maintenance.
Yeah, kasi before kailangan pa namin siya i-pull out dito. But right now, may naayos na ni Papa dito yung plug. So para fix na talaga siya dito. Hindi hassle. So ayan, finally guys, tapos na tayo. And
Then yung sink. You show the sink.
oo. So yung sink naman,
Ito, hidden siya.
ayan, naka-hidden siya para
So,
if may
then,
mga
malalim.
staff kami dito or whatever, pwede namin siya i-keep. And then double purpose din siya guys kasi sa ilalim pwede namin siyang gawing cutting board. So ayan, para makatago. Yan, then we have this cute faucet.
And our pump.
And our pump. So, sa next namin na vlog, we're gonna show you our entire water system. So, initial lang naman.
We're
So,
gonna
yeah.
explain it, everything, the technicalities
We're gonna explain
of
everything. Para
water
mas
system.
easier. Ayan, so tapos na po.
So, abangan nyo yung next vlog namin kasi talagang i-explain namin technicality. Taas, kasi sa mga nagdi-DIY build din, meron kayong matututunan sa next namin na video. Kasi yung water system namin napaka-simple lang and talagang doable siya ng i-DIY.
Yeah, so thank you so much guys. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.